Game was very hard, very tough, like we expected. Cluj is one very good team. In first half, they dominate over us, but we go on the half time in the locker room. We agree that we must to play much better defense. What we did in second half, and I think we deserve to win this game.
You were very in a very good mood tonight because you scored 45 points, and in the first half you were more points than the entire team.
Yeah. Okay, tonight it was me. I was in good shape. My players noticed that and they give ball to me. I was in good shape. Next game will be some other player because we are a team like that. In every game, some other player goes in front of the team, and I hope that we will continue to play like this and to go in the winning roads.